In this video, we take a look at the SAP Business Technology Platform and the SAP Cloud. The SAP Business Technology Platform includes the development app, which can be used to create cloud applications, mobile apps, and extensions for SAP solutions. Various development frameworks, programming languages, and tools are available for this purpose. Integration into the SAP Business Technology Platform facilitates the seamless connection of SAP applications to external systems and third-party solutions. This includes both cloud and on-premise integration scenarios. In another scenario or situation where a single premise or assumption is used as the starting point for an integration strategy, this platform also facilitates the seamless connection of SAP applications. Furthermore, the Business Technology Platform includes analytics and big data environments. These tools provide data analytics services, including machine learning and big data services, to enable data-driven decisions. The SAP Business Technology Platform also supports IoT, or Internet of Things, applications and services that enable companies to collect, analyze, and use data from network devices. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also included in the platform. The platform integrates both AI and ML functions that enable companies to develop intelligent applications. Finally, the platform offers security services and identity management functions to protect applications and data. Now we look at the SAP Cloud. Here we can distinguish between a public and a private cloud. The public cloud is a software service solution from SAP that is hosted in the cloud. It is a flexible and scalable way of accessing and using the cloud. The SAP Public Cloud comprises various cloud products and services that are developed and operated by SAP. One environment is used by several parties. In contrast, the private cloud provides hosting in a dedicated environment exclusively for one company or organization. This therefore offers an isolated environment. In an SAP private cloud environment, the servers, networks, and other infrastructure components are managed by a specialized service provider or by the company itself.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.